missing honey pot. One day, the bear could not find his honey pot. He asked himself where he might have kept it. He looked all over. It was not under his bed. It was not on his bookshelf. So he called his friend Rabbit to help him. Rabbit, will you please help me find my honey pot? Yes, I will. Who loved helping his friend? Then they looked here, they looked there, and they looked everywhere. Suddenly, Rabbit found some drop of honey near the bear toy box. Look, shouted Rabbit. Let's open the toy box, Rabbit said. When they opened the toy box, they were very happy. There inside the toy box was the honey pot. The bear was very thankful to his friend Rabbit. He shared the honey with Rabbit. The rabbit asked a question. How do you think the honey pot got into the toy box, Bear? That's a very good question, Rabbit. They thought for a while. Then they decided that they will never really know some things. One thing they did know was that two hands are better than one, especially to find the missing honey pot. Moral of the story: working together and helping each other can solve problems more effectively. Sometimes the journey of finding a solution with the friends is just as valuable as the solution itself. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. See the next video.